Hello explorers, so this is Boracay now. It's June 20. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Crystal clear water. White sand. Whoa, what a vibe. It's just like summer. Woo. That guy is so clear. The water is so clear. Show you. Look at that. So beautiful. Hello explorers, are you traveling soon? Want some promos and discounts on hotel activities and flights? You can use my discount codes. For Agoda hotels, it's 𝗲𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗄. For Agoda activities, it's 𝗲𝗏𝗟𝗟𝗠𝗢. For Klook, it's 𝗲𝗏𝗟𝗟𝗏𝗄. For Sunlight Air, it's 𝗲𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏. For Pinatubo Mountainero, it's 𝗲𝗏𝗟𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪. For Villa Caemilla Boracay, it's 𝗲𝗏𝗂𝗃𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏. For Coast Boracay, it's 𝗀𝗁𝗃𝗏𝗃. You can also check the discount links at the comment section below. Have a safe travel everyone! See you!